ប្អូនឥឡូវយើងចូលទៅដល់ការនិយាយអំពីតម្លៃក៏ដូចជាបាទ model របស់ speaker តែម្ដងបាទអញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យខាតពេលយូរខ្ញុំសូមចូលទៅដល់បាទ Evox 12មុនបាទអញ្ចឹងប្រភេទ Evox 12នេះជាប្រភេទបាទ column speaker ដែលមានសាប់4ទឹកដែលវាមាន high នៅខាងលើរហូតដល់8គ្រាប់ដែលកម្លាំងវ៉ាត់របស់វាវិញគឺរហូតដល់បាទ1400វ៉ាត់ឯណោះបងប្អូនបាទហើយចំពោះតម្លៃរបស់គេវិញគឺត្រឹមតែបាទ$2550តែប៉ុណ្ណោះបាទហើយសម្រាប់ Evox 12នេះបងប្អូនរបស់យើងគាត់ប្រកាសជាស្គាល់ហើយដោយសារវាមានវត្តមាននៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជារបស់យើងគឺយូរដែរហើយក៏មានឈ្មោះបោះសម្លេងខ្លាំងផងដែរក្នុងចំណោម speaker ខ្លឹមផ្សេងបាទហើយមកចូលមកដល់ speaker បន្ទាប់បងប្អូនបាទគឺជាប្រភេទសង់ដាច់បាទ RCS NX បាទ910A បាទជាប្រភេទ active speaker ដែលកម្លាំងវ៉ាត់របស់គេវិញគឺរហូតដល់2100វ៉ាត់ឯណោះបងប្អូនបាទហើយចំពោះតម្លៃរបស់គេគឺអាប់ដេតចុងក្រោយនេះបងប្អូនបាទគឺត្រឹមតែបាទ$1190តែប៉ុណ្ណោះបងប្អូនហើយ speaker មួយនេះផងដែរក៏ជា speaker ដែលផលិតនៅដើមឆ្នាំ2022នេះផងដែរបងប្អូនបាទគឺមែនតើចំនួនចុងក្រោយបោះ RCA ដូចគ្នាបាទហើយអ្វីដែលពិសេសបាទគឺចូលស្តុកថ្មីបាទដែលជា speaker brand RCA ដែលមាន Bluetooth ដំបូងគេដែលមានវត្តមាននៅស្រុកខ្មែររបស់យើងបាទជាប្រភេទ speaker ដែលមាន Bluetooth គេនៅក្នុងប្រជាជាតិកម្ពុជារបស់យើងបាទដែលវាអាចរត់កម្លាំងវ៉ាត់វារហូតដល់បាទ2100វ៉ាត់ 130dB មាន Bluetooth បងប្អូនហើយអ្វីដែលពិសេសទៀត speaker មួយនេះណាបងប្អូនបាទនៅបតខាងក្រោយរបស់គេវិញគឺយើងអាចចុចជា touch screen បានបាទហើយក៏មាន app control ផងដែរបាទគឺមកនេះគឺបាទគឺ release ថ្មីក្នុងឆ្នាំ2022នេះតែម្ដងបាទចុងឆ្នាំនេះតែម្ដងហើយទៅមកដល់ស្រុកខ្មែរយើងថ្មីនេះទេបងប្អូនបាទគឺឯមែនតើហើយចំពោះតម្លៃរបស់វាវិញបងប្អូនបាទគឺត្រឹមតែ$1290តែប៉ុណ្ណោះបាទអញ្ចឹងតម្លៃប៉ុណ្នេះបើធៀបជាមួយនឹងគុណប្រយោជន៍ក៏ដូចជាសម្លេងរបស់វាដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើការ testing ផ្ទាល់ហើយបងប្អូនបាទវាគឺមិនថ្លៃទេបងប្អូនដោយសារវាសម្លេងរបស់វាគឺចេញមកបាទគឺអែមែនតើបាទបងប្អូនដែលគាត់មានចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍ដែលគាត់ធ្លាប់រក brand RCS ដែលមាន Bluetooth នេះណាគាត់អាចធ្វើការមក testing ផ្ទាល់តែម្ដងបាទដើម្បីដឹងពីអត្ថប្រយោជន៍ក៏ដូចជាសម្លេងរបស់វាចេញមកគឺបែបណាណាបងប្អូនបាទឥឡូវយើងចូលមកដល់សង់មួយទៀតបងប្អូនបាទគឺស៊េរី A ដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែស៊េរី700បាទអញ្ចឹងស៊េរី A នេះបាទបងប្អូនរបស់យើងគាត់ជាស្គាល់ហើយដោយសារវាធ្លាប់ចូល stock មកយូរដែរហើយបូកផ្សំជាមួយនឹងគុណភាពទាំងតម្លៃបាទគឺសមរម្យមែនតើបាទអញ្ចឹងបាននិយាយរួមទៅគឺអស់ stock យូរដោយសារតម្លៃរបស់វាធូរហើយគុណភាពគឺល្អទៀតបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹងស៊េរីមួយនេះបងប្អូនបាទគឺ A715A បាទជាប្រភេទ4ទឹកបាទដែលកម្លាំងវ៉ាត់របស់គេវិញគឺ1400វ៉ាត់បាទ130dB បងប្អូនហើយតម្លៃរបស់គេវិញបាទគឺធូរមែនតើបាទគឺត្រឹមតែ$890តែប៉ុណ្ណោះបាទបងប្អូនបាទហើយជាមួយ RCS បាទអ្វីដែលអែមនោះបាទគឺ ampli របស់គេគឺមាំទាំល្អមែនតើបាទឥឡូវយើងចូលមកដល់ NX វិញបងប្អូនបាទ NX បាទ NX នេះបងប្អូនគាត់ជាស្គាល់ហើយដោយសារយើងធ្វើវីដេអូពីវាច្រើនដែរហើយបាទគឺ NX 915A ជាប្រភេទបាទសង់ high 4ទឹកដែលកម្លាំងវ៉ាត់របស់គេវិញបាទគឺ2100វ៉ាត់ 131dB បងប្អូនបាទគឺខ្លាំងមែនតើស៊េរីនេះបាទហើយជាប្រភេទធុងឈើទៀតបងប្អូនបាទ NX អាតូច10អ៊ីងបាញ់បងប្អូនក៏ធុងឈើដែរបាទរូបរាងរបស់គេមាំទាំល្អមែនតើបាទហើយក៏ជាប្រភេទ professional speaker ផងដែរបាទគឺអត់មាន Bluetooth ទេបងប្អូនបាទយើងត្រូវការចាក់ខ្សែចូល direct ចូលពី mixer ឬក៏ microphone ដែលមាន Bluetooth ដែលយើងអាចប្រើបានបាទហើយអ្វីដែលពិសេសសម្រាប់បងប្អូនបាទគឺចូលហើយបាទប្រភេទ high dub តែម្ដងបងប្អូនបាទជាប្រភេទសង់ dub តែម្ដងបាទសង់នេះបាទគឺស៊េរី NX ដូចគ្នាបាទប៉ុន្តែឈ្មោះរបស់វានេះបាទគឺ NX បាទ985A បាទជាប្រភេទសង់ដប់បាទយកទៅលេងទៅបងប្អូនបាទគឺមិនស្ទើរនោះទេបាទដែលកម្លាំងវ៉ាត់របស់វាវិញបាទគឺ2100វ៉ាត់រត់បាន 138dB ហើយក៏ជា speaker ដែល release នៅចុងឆ្នាំ2022នេះផងដែរបាទគឺអែមែនតើបាទប៉ុន្តែវាជាប្រភេទ professional speaker ចឹងការ design មកគឺអត់មាន Bluetooth ទេបងប្អូនគឺយើងមានតែការប្រើខ្សែតែប៉ុណ្ណោះបងប្អូនបាទហើយចំពោះតម្លៃរបស់វាវិញបាទតម្លៃរបស់វាវិញគឺបាទ$2490សម្រាប់មួយគ្រាប់បងប្អូនបាទគឺស្អាតមែនតើរូបរាងបាទបើធៀបជាមួយសង់ដប់ brand ដទៃបាទគឺវាតូចបាទងាយស្រួលចល័តបាទរូបរាងស្អាតមើលទៅកាយតែម្ដងបងប្អូនបាទ 138dB បាទហើយសម្រាប់ High NX 915នេះបាទភ្លេចប្រាប់តម្លៃអាប់ដេតចុងក្រោយនេះគឺត្រឹមតែបាទ$1390តែប៉ុណ្ណោះបងប្អូនអធិស្ឋាន$1390បាទហើយចំពោះសាប់វិញបងប្អូនបាទសាប់គឺយើងមានច្រើនស៊េរីបាទសម្រាប់ស៊េរីបាទសម្រាប់ស៊េរី700គឺយើងមាន3ស៊េរីបាទ702 705និង708បាទ702គឺសាប់3ទឹក705គឺសាប់4ទឹកនិង708គឺសាប់5ទឹកបាទ sắp bay xử lý ní có dương miên vợ tầm miên là sọc mai bao dương du đại hai bằng bồn bà du đại hai chẳng đầm lái bằng bồn còn chỉ đằng hai nhưng xong điệp rọp lại tầm đó bà còn parai pi ní đầm lái bà cái trăm tay mà pon rồi $200 tại đó đại chỉ bảo phết sắp bay tắc cầm lăng vắt mà pon mua rồi vắt và hai sầm rạp sắp bằng parai pram ní chỉ bảo phết sắp đập pram ính bà cầm lăng một cái cứ mà pon buôn rồi vắt đây đầm lại một cái cứ mà pon bài đây hai sắp parai bảy ní cứ chia bảo phết sắp bà pram tắc đây cầm lăng một cái cứ mà pon buôn rồi vắt đôi khía bà đầm lái cứ mà pon bằng $200bà haiสำหรับซับนี่bàคือเชียร์ประเภทผมใบปอนสรีบางปอนbà OCS ซับผมใบปอนใบ AI2 ได้ดำไหลบอกเกวิ่งคือ$190สำหรับซับนี่บางปอนbà haiสำหรับสปีกเกอร์hai đốmนี่บางปอนbàเกรี่ของมันเมาส์bà สไปเกรี่ของมันเมาส์คือเกปลาจมูกนังซับดุบบางปอนผมใบปอนผมใบบ่าผมใบปอนใบจีบประเภทซับดบบ่าคือยังยอดแต่ปลายจมูกซับดบแต่มาดองบ่าให้สำหรับซับก็ยังมีจานสุดได้ซับดบได้ทั้งเธอกาโจในจึงที่ปีแต่สายยังโจมาคือจึงที่มวยได้บางปอนบ่าให้จีจองคลายนี่ก่อนมีไอจานได้บางปอนสำหรับวิดีโอนี้คือยังจองรีวิวจมูกในกาโจสต็อกทำไมแต่บอกOCS อันเอ็กผมบัวร้อย83กระโดดเชียอาดผมบนรอยดับปีนี่บางคนบ่าให้จมูกนังอาดผมปลารอยสรีได้โจสกไม่แต่ยังมีตั้งใบตักบางบนตักให้สำหรับสรีนี่ก็ยังมีใบตักบางบนตักได้บางคนบ่าคือมีโดยขี้บ่าให้กาโจสรีนี่ก็ยังมีจมูกนังสปีกเกอร์พาสซิลរបស់ OCS ได้แต่กอดอาญตะเลนจีแหละกันเนี่ยพับบักหางไอ้กอดอาญรีบ้านจมูกนังสปีกเกอร์พาสซิลរបស់ OCS บ่าปันใต้ยังตอนบ้านเธอการรีวิวเตยังเธอการรีวิวจมูกนังวิดีโอในวิดีโอประตัวบางคนบ่าจังมาขัดไปอยู่บางปอนครั้งวิดีโอนี้ก็ยังอันตอนมันเตะสเลงในบางปอนมาจะเมื่อยังชิดเป็นนึงเธอการเตะสเลงจุดบางปอนแต่มาดองมาจะจ้องได้เดี๋ยวครั้งวิดีโอนี้ชมส้มออกกุ้นสำหรับบางปอนในทุสนาวิดีโอนี้บ่าให้บางปอนในกดจ้องมาเตะสติ้งจมวยนึงแบรนด์ OCS ได้โชว์สต็อกไม่บ่าอ่านผมบนออกปีนี้บ่ากดอ่านมาเตะตัวในโชว์รูมบอกยังแต่มาดองยังมีดีโมสำหรับบางปอนเธอการเตะสติ้งบ่าที่ตั้งมาเยอะขึ้นนึงเพลย์ดำเชียร์สภาระเพลย์เล็กพรามคายสับสมใบแต่บางปอนอ่านเชิญมาตามวงมัวกำโก้บอตามเพลย์ดำเชียร์สภาระพาให้ตุ้งบุรุษมาเชื่อบางปอนเมื่อขังสนามได้นั่งเคยพระพรีเมียร์ซันบอกยังมาให้จำปูเลยตู้ซับวิ่งบางปอนอ่านแต่เนี่ยน้องจำอยากเลยตู้ซับแต่ยังเป็นใบแบบปอนมาคือโซนกายกุดโซนกายสับพรามโดยเชียร์โซนกายสับสมใบแต่ยังมีกับตัวเล็กโดยนี้คือมาไผ่ปีกายใบบ่ายห้าสำหรับบางปอนนะก็มันจะมาปีตีตั้งก็อ่านใจตัวเลอลิงได้ยังได้จมูกหนึ่งขับเส้นหนึ่งขังครับดอกใบบางปอนงี้สู้ทางการเราตีตั้งบอกยังหนึ่งtrong Google Mapบ่าให้กับสมเอาคนทางนายบางปอนบ่าจุกนี่จมูกวิดีโอใกล้จมูกหนึ่งการเตะซิงจมูกหนึ่งแบรนด์ OCS ให้บางปอนบ่าเอาคนชรา